Continuing on with task 19, our centrifuge has stopped spinning after the 5 minutes with spinning down the packed red blood cells with the mixture of saline. So we're going to go ahead, open up the centrifuge. I'm going to pull out my tubes, just stand them up. Okay, so as you can see on both of our tubes, we have the solution and our red blood cells are down at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead, and I have 2 new of my larger pipettes that I'm just going to slowly take off the supernatant off of the top so that we only have the red blood cells left. And I'm going to do that for both samples. So I'm going to start with Sky's sample, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to come over to the sink. We'll take off the green top. And we're just slowly going to suck off the supernatant that is on the top and just pour it into the sink. Okay. So then we'll throw that out because we're going to want a new pipette for our other one. We'll put on the lid for now. So as you can see, all I have left are my red blood cells at the bottom now. And I'm just going to repeat that process with Sophie's sample. Take off the green top. I'm going to take a new pipette. And we're just going to suck the supernatant off of the top. Okay, we'll throw that out, put on the top. So again, with Sophie, who's the donor as well, all we have left are my red blood cells at the bottom. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to want to repeat the process of flushing the red blood cells. So again, we're just going to take our syringe and add another 5 to 10 mLs of the normal saline into both of these tubes. So I'm going to start with Sky. Take off the green top. Just place that down for right now. I have my syringe. And again, I'm just going to do another 5 mLs of normal saline. I'm going to get rid of the air bubble. Okay. So we're going to add 5 mLs of saline to Sky's sample again. We're going to screw on the green top. And then we're going to repeat it with Sophie's sample as well. Get rid of the air bubble. Alright, another 5 mLs of saline for Sophie's sample. Okay, put the green top on. Okay, so again, this will be round 2 that we are just going to be spinning them down again for 2 to 5 minutes. As you can see, our samples are pretty even, so they're going to balance each other out. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead, place them across from one another once again. Close the centrifuge because they're going to balance each other, and I'm going to set it for another 5 minutes. And press start. And I'll be back once this is done, and we're going to repeat that process one more time so we have a total of 3 washes.